Hello students, today we will discuss the AIIMS NORCET exam 2020 happened on 8th September. Second shift exam 3 to 6 pm. We will discuss some of the question from this paper. The first question is, the pH of the person is 7.30, the bicarbonate level is 24 milliequivalent per liter, PCO2 is 68 and PO2 is 78. Now you have to do ABG interpretation. So in ABG, what we will see, the pH is decreased. The normal pH is 7.35 to 7.45. The bicarbonate level is 24, that is normal. The PCO2 is increased and PO2 is decreased. In ABG interpretation, the person will be having respiratory acidosis. The link for the ABG interpretation will be given in the video. Second question was asked, डायबिटिक कीटोएसिडोसिस में एबीजी वैल्यू में क्या चेंजेस होंगे? पर्सन को मेटाबॉलिक एसिडोसिस होगा. सीवियर वोमिटिंग, तो एबीजी की वैल्यू में क्या चेंजेस होंगे? पर्सन को मेटाबॉलिक एल्कलोसिस होगा. अगर सीवियर वोमिटिंग है तो क्लोरीन का लॉस हो जाता है, इसकी वजह से क्या होगा? पर्सन को एल्कलोसिस. अगर सीवियर डायरिया है तो पर्सन को क्या होगा? मेटाबॉलिक एसिडोसिस. ये भी रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है हमारी वीडियो से. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इरिथ्रोपोइटिन का क्या फंक्शन है? सिंथेसिस ऑफ आरबीसी. रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन. रेड कलर यूरिन इज कोज्ड बाय विच ड्रग? रिफाम्पिसिन. रिफाम्पिसिन, इट इज अ एंटी ट्यूबरकुलर ड्रग. विजुअलाइजेशन ऑफ बोन इन विच स्टेज ऑफ प्रेशर अल्सर? इन स्टेज 4. स्टेज 4 के अंदर बोन विजुअलाइजेशन होगा इन प्रेशर अल्सर स्टेज. Cleft lip baby has undergone surgery. What is the priority by a nurse? Maintain patent airway. Body organs in waste management. According to waste management, in which bag they should be discarded? In yellow bag. The blood and the body fluids, they should be discarded in yellow color bag. A sweeper has discarded paper bag in the black bucket. What is the procedure that the person has performed for discardation? Whether it is correct or not? Yes, it is correct, because black bag is used for discarding of paper bag and etc. Vaccine that forms scar. First form blister, after form scar, that is BCG, and it is the scar formation is at the age of 1.5 months. BCG vaccine is given intradermal. Image was given regarding Doyen's retractor and it was asked, the Doyen's retractor is used for which surgery? So cesarean section surgery. You can see the image of Doyen's retractor. It is used for cesarean section. Next, there was image for episiotomy seizure. Episiotomy seizure is used for giving incision while the vaginal delivery is performed. Now we will see the image. Here is the image of episiotomy seizure. Next question. Pelvis shape has the poorest prognosis for vaginal delivery is android. IV cannula for a 4-month-old infant is yellow color. It is a repeated question from our video. Link will be given. 14 gauge cannula का color orange color. Image of amputation of leg was given. The question is not remembered yet. Image was given for PCM and it was written it should be given IV. What is the function of PCM? That is pain relief के लिए यूज करते हैं PCM को. Next question, there was a term Gaucher fibroma. Gaucher fibroma means retained foreign object. The foreign object after the surgery, for example the surgical sponge, or accidentally left into the patient body, this term is known as Gaucher fibroma. Next question was umbilical cord having 2 artery and 1 vein. If a female is in labor and the cord is coming out first, then what is the nursing management? Provide Trendelenburg position. Do not push the cord inside, otherwise it will lead to infection. The first priority management is Trendelenburg position. What is the central tissue perfusion pressure if the blood pressure is 90 by 60 mm of Hg and intracranial pressure is 18? So this was the question. How we will solve? The central perfusion pressure, there is a formula, that is mean arterial pressure minus intracranial pressure. First we will calculate mean arterial pressure. the video we already had uploaded regarding mean arterial blood pressure. We will see, or the link will be given in the description box. The formula is mean arterial pressure is equal to systolic blood pressure plus 2 into diastolic blood pressure divided by 3. Here the systolic blood pressure is 90 and the diastolic blood pressure is 60. Apply the formula. The mean arterial pressure is 70 mm of Hg. Now with the help of CPP is equal to MAP minus ICP. The MAP is 70 and ICP is 18. So the answer will be 52 mm of Hg. Next question was, which vaccine should not be freezed? DPT and TT. Suction pressure for an infant, it should be 60 to 80 mm of Hg. Suction pressure for adult, 100 to 200 mm of Hg. Post-coital bleeding complaint by a female. A female is complaining of post-coital bleeding. What is the next priority a nurse has to do? This is also a query that we have kept. Next, there was an image-based question regarding ABG. We will see the image. The image was like that and question was asked, which procedure is performed by the person? The answer is ABG. Next question on the ABG was also there. In which artery the person is doing puncturing? So radial artery. Next question. Nasogastric tube should be discarded in which color coded bag? Blue. Antibiotic which mostly do not require test dose? That is Ciplox, used for diarrhea. Murphy sign is seen in cholecystitis. Real name of Sidex is 2% glutaraldehyde. Why nail paint of a patient is removed before surgical procedure? Because when the person is shifted, the SpO2 level should be checked. When the person has applied nail polish to the nails, it will hinder the accurate reading of SpO2. From isoflurane and sevoflurane, which gas is having more pungent smell? Isoflurane is more pungent as comparison to sevoflurane. Next question was image related and it was of Goodell's airway, also known as oropharyngeal airway. This is the image of Goodell's airway. Next question was also image based, that is feeding bag. This bag is known as Romson antral feeding bag. I will show you the bag. This is the image of antral feeding bag. In this video, we included 35 questions that are asked into the AIIMS NORCET exam. Next video will be uploaded soon. Thank you.